In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in N8n. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the official N8n website. This is the first step in our journey to bringing new collaborators into your N8n workspace. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's typically placed prominently on the website, so it should be easy to find. Signing into your account is crucial for accessing the administrative settings needed for managing users. After successfully signing in, you'll notice your user icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll navigate to the Settings option. In this settings area, you'll find a variety of controls and options to manage your account and configurations. But our focus today is on adding a user. So go ahead and select Users from the list. This will take you to the Users page, where you can manage who has access to your N8n instance. Now that you're on the Users page, look around for an Invite button and give it a click. This button is your gateway to onboarding new users to your N8n instance. By clicking it, you initiate the process of inviting someone to join your workspace, which is essential for expanding your team or sharing workflows with colleagues. You'll then see a field where you can input the email address of the person you'd like to add. Make sure to double-check the email for accuracy before proceeding, as this is how the invitation will be sent out. Enter the email address, being careful not to make any typos, as this will ensure your invitation reaches the right person without any hiccups. After you've entered the correct email address, you'll notice a button that says Invite User. Click this button to send the invitation email. This action is what formally begins the process of adding a new user to your N8n environment. The system will dispatch an email to the address you specified, inviting them to become part of your instance. The final step occurs on the recipient's end. The invited user will receive an email containing a link. This link is vital as it guides them on how to join your N8n instance. Instruct them to click on this link and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually a straightforward process, helping them seamlessly join your workspace to start collaborating. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add a user in N8n. With these steps, you can easily expand your team and collaborate more efficiently on your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.